Hello friends,
Like and
how are you all?
subscribe.
So today I am in Banalata, a hotel. So there are many plants in this hotel, so I am gonna show you. So here you can see another type of plant. See, there is more plants and there is more plants. So let's go to another plant. So here you can see marigold. There are many marigolds. You can see here. And these are the plants which are growing here. So let's go to another plant. You can see this is a type of plant. It seems so beautiful. There is many plants in here. So let's go to another plant. So these plants are growing here, and these are rose plants. Let's go to another plant. Here you can see small sunflowers. They are looking so beautiful. There are many types of small sunflowers here. You can see. So let's go to another. I think these are multicolored moss rose, because we have also this plant in our home. I think this is a multicolored moss rose. These plants are multicolored moss rose. So you can see these flowers, and especially this flower, it looks so beautiful, and these all flowers are looking so beautiful. So I don't know this flower's name, but it looks so beautiful. So let's go to another plant. So you can see here beautiful plants. There are many types of plants here. So without wasting time, let's go to another plant. You can see the cow. There are many cows here. There are many cows here, you can see. They are sitting and resting. So let's go to another plant or animal. You can see another type of plant here. There is also the type of plant here. In two sides they are in two sides. So here are more cows here. So let's go to another plant or animal. So you can see the horse. It is walking round and round. You can see the horse. And here is more horses here. Here is more horses here. This is one horse. This is another horse. And this is another horse. You can see the horse. This is another horse. So let's go to another plant or animal. Let's see if we can see any type of animal. So I will show you, and if we can see any type of plant, then I will also show you that. So let's go to plant or animal, anything. Another plant or animal. You can see some black cocks or hens. Some black cocks and hens both, and there are turkeys. Oh no, this black cock is coming to me. There are turkeys. White turkeys. So let's go to another bird. You can see here a emu bird. You can see here. There is also a emu bird, and here is also. This emu bird neck is blue. So let's go to another bird.
leave a comment.